If you were in the Senate right now, how would you vote on the Obamacare bill, which is coming down the road? If you were there, how would you vote?
I have to tell you, Larry, I don't think I know what's in that bill, and I'm not sure anybody else does. From what I know, relative to the Senate bill that passed, I don't think it's a good bill. There might be provisions of it that are good, but I don't believe we've addressed the issue of bringing down cost. I do not believe that in the end this bill is going to save the money that the Democrats are saying that it's going to save.
So you don't know if you'd vote for the health care bill or not? More government, more deficit spending.
Okay. If you were in the Senate, how would you vote to reconfirm or not Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke?
I'd vote to confirm him.
You would. So you agree with Senator Dodd on that point?
Well, I think there are some things that Ben Bernanke has brought to the table. You know, I don't agree with the latest issue that he's raised about, you know, the low interest not having any impact. So that I disagree with him on.
So you would support Ben Bernanke, but you don't like it when interest rates are too low. Do you even know who Ben Bernanke is?
You've given a lot of money to Democrats and Democratic committees in recent years, and therefore your candidacy should be suspect. I guess he's inferring you're not really a Republican. You are a new face. You are running in the Republican primary. But he says, look, you gave $2,300 to Rahm Emanuel, $5,000 to the Democratic Congressional Campaign Committee. You gave $10,000 in 2006 to the Democratic Congressional Campaign Committee. How do you respond to what Jack Fowler is saying?
Well, over the course of my business career, I have given to Democrats and Republicans.
So she gives money to the Democratic Party. Oh, but she also gives money to the Republican Party. The only reason to give money to one of the parties is to help them beat the other party. If you give $5,000 to the Democrats and then $5,000 to the Republicans, you just wasted $10,000. So you're an idiot. Or you're giving money to everybody so that you're buying favors, so maybe you're not like a Washington outsider like you claim, and you're playing politics, just buying. Maybe it was to get, I don't know, Congress or the Senate not to look into the steroid allegations of the WWE like they did with baseball.
And clearly, I am a fiscally conservative Republican.
No, you're not.
Do you see yourself maybe returning the favor to Mrs. McMahon and endorsing her in the race for Senate this year?
Well, not for that reason alone. I mean, I've had a couple of conversations over the years with Linda McMahon. She got very interested in education, you know. She was good enough to support me financially and politically.
She donated and supported Joe Lieberman in 2006. You cannot say you're sick of deficit spending and support Joe Lieberman. He is the biggest spender in Washington. He also wants to just keep increasing and making more government bureaucracies. He keeps trying to get the federal government to monitor video games, movies, the internet. So, yeah. She's not a conservative, period.